Guys, my name is Casper. Today I'll show you how to make stretchy slime. The ingredients you'll need is a bowl, 2 spoons, 1 glue, Elmer's glue, then you need baking soda, then you need some activator. First, you need to put baking soda on your hand. Then you put it inside the bowl. Then you'll need school glue. As much as you want. Then add baking soda again so you could see it at the top of the glue. So it should look like this. Next, you need 1 tablespoon of activator or contact solution. Then you mix. If your slime is not going together like this, add another tablespoon of activator. Then you can mix it. If it's still not good, then add activator in the bowl. Then you mix again. Then if it starts going all together like this, then you could take it out and feel it if it feels good. Then, if your slime is too sticky, you could add more activator or contact solution. Okay, when your slime is finished, you could play with it. You could stretch it, you could make bubbles like this, and then you could do it like that, and then it should make a bubble. But I won't show you because it might take too long. Then you have your slime. See you next time.